Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check AnTuTu score of Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A17 and you want to check AnTuTu score of your phone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and from here you have to go to search and just search for AnTuTu Benchmark. Here's a keyword. You have to search for AnTuTu Benchmark. Click on it and just open the first official website of AnTuTu Benchmark. Here you might see the option of download app. You have to click on download app and then click on download APK. I have already downloaded it. Once you have downloaded, you have to click on it and then click on install. I have already installed this app on my phone. Now after installation, just open the app, and in your app you might need to give some permissions to AnTuTu app. Once you have done, just click on install and test, and then click on get from market. You have to wait for a few seconds, or if you might see this type errors, you have to go back, click on it again, and then click on this download option. Now it's downloading. You have to wait for a few seconds until it's completely download something or some new version. So you have to wait for a few seconds here. You can see it's still downloading. You have to wait for it until it's complete. So once it has been completed, you might see at this type pop-up. You have to click on settings and click on allow permission to enable it. Once it has been enabled, just click on install, and your AnTuTu 3D bench light will be installed on your phone. You have to wait for a few seconds until it's got installed on your phone. After installation, click on open and the app will be open. Click on agree from here and then click on start test. And here it will take a few minutes more to completing the text. You just have to wait for a few seconds here until it completes. So once it has been completed, you might get your details here. You can see there's almost 531,027. It's my AnTuTu benchmark score of Samsung Galaxy A17. Here you might also get some further details like CPU, has the CPU score, has the score for GPU, has memory, and also has the UI UX score. You can also get other details here. So in this way, you can easily check the AnTuTu score of your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.